Okay, this project is going to modify the previous one, but we're going to add a text box and modify it so that when we click the button, whatever's written in this text box will appear as a message box. Now, we've got the previous file open with the label and the button. Now, what we're going to do is add in a new component into this form, which is going to be our text box. So click on the form. Now we need to find text box. I'm going to drag that in. I've got a blank text box. Obviously we want to rename this, so I'm going to go down to the design section, change the name from text box 1, say txt name entry. And that's what's going to be stored in here. Now, what we need to do is go into the button and modify that code. So I'm going to double click on that, it goes back into that function, that subroutine. Now, by default, we're not going to want to do this I was clicked. So I'm going to get a new line, and I want to create a new variable. So we use dim, which stands for declare in memory. The name of the variable, I'm going to call it my message, as, and then what type? String. String is what we use for any text, or that combination of text and numbers. Now we're going to have my message is assigned to. In programming we use the equal sign to mean assigned, which means store in. And on the left, this is where we're going to store the information, and on the right we put what we're going to store in it. Now I want to get the information that is currently stored in this text box. So if I do me dot, it gets the form and then has everything that is linked to it. If I start typing in txt, I can see txt name entry. That gets that name entry form. Now I want to get the text that is written on it. So I'm going to do dot text. That will get whatever message is typed in there. Now, inside the brackets, I'm going to modify this, and I'm going to print out my message. And I'm going to just save that, and then start and run the project. Now we've got please click the button. If I click it by default, it has nothing on it. But if I now type something in it, and click the button, we've got a little problem with this program, is the error message, the messages, the instructions aren't very detailed. They don't relate to what it is, so I'm going to go and modify this. Oops, shouldn't have double clicked on that, so I'm just going to actually delete that code. Go back to the form. On here, change the text. So it is not please click the button, but just please enter your name. And now, when I run the program, it will tell me, please enter your name. Okay, that's it for this little video. I'm just going to leave that one there, and the next step will be modifying this a bit further so we can have slightly more customized messages.